A very good morning to one and all. Myself Dr. Rishabh Gupta, and in today's session we will be understanding that how we can form a frequency distribution based upon the data collected. So let's begin. Based upon the information given below, prepare a frequency distribution of financial planning data in MS Excel. So the information is being given pertaining to name, income, saving goals and investment type. Now I need to create a frequency distribution for my income as well as my investment. Now based upon this information, I need to create an appropriate frequency distribution. Let me first copy paste this information. Now in this case my income range is 3001 till 4000, 4001, 5000, 5001, 6000 and 6001, 7000. So what I have done, I have simply assigned the range to my income. So I know that the income of the Ram is 5000, Sham is 4000, Radha is 5500, 3500 for Raj and 6000 for Rahul. I have simply assigned the range, that is 3000 to 4000, 4001 to 5000 and so on and so forth. Now let me also mention the upper limit. Now upper limit is 4000, in this case 5000. Now in order to create a frequency distribution, I first need to calculate my cumulative frequency. Now I need to type a command of equals to frequency. The moment I double click on it, it is asking for data array and bin array. Data array is the range of data values that you want to analyze, and bin array is the range of intervals you want to group the data into. Now my data array in this case ranging from B2 till B6. So I simply drag my cursor from 5000 till 6000, comma. Now for the bin array, I can select this upper limit, that is F2, and bracket close and press enter. Now I know I will type a similar command or the same command in all the remaining entries. So what I can do, I can simply freeze this information by typing Shift plus 4. So I simply freeze my B2 cell as well as my B6 cell by putting dollar before and after B. And now you can simply drag it. So my cumulative frequencies 2, 3, 5 and 5 respectively. Now my frequency results for income is 2, then equals to this minus the current cell minus previous cell, then again equals to current cell minus the previous cell, and then you can also drag it. So in this way I have calculated the frequency results for income, which is coming out to be 2, 1, 2 and 0 respectively. So for the income range of 3001 to 4000, the assigned frequency is 2. For the income range of 4001 till 5000, the assigned frequency is 1. Similarly for 5001 till 6000, the frequency results are coming out to be 2. And for the 6001 till 7000, the frequency results are coming out to be 0. Now I can also plot this information in the form of a graph. Now simply I need to select the income ranges as well as my frequency result, and then click on insert, click on column and then click on 2D columns. I want my information to be presented in the form of histogram. So I need to click on design. Then I need to click on this more icon, wherein I need to change the overall layout of the chart. Click on it. And then I want my information to be presented in the form of a histogram. Click on it. Now I can also format this graph by clicking on format, and then I can select as per my wish. Now I also need to assign my axis titles, which is income range, Similarly, here it is frequency results. Okay. Now I can also create a frequency distribution for the investment type column as well. Now I can see that there are three categories of investment type. That is, there are three categories, that is stocks, mutual funds and real estate. Now frequency. In order to identify the frequency, I can again type a COUNTIF command. Double click on it. Now select this range of values from D2 till D6 and the assigned criteria is stocks. And bracket close and then press enter. So my stocks are coming out to be 2 times. Similarly, I can again type COUNTIF command over here, double click on it, select the range of values, that is from second entry till the last entry of investment type, ranging from D2 till D6. The assigned criteria in this case is mutual fund. So I need to specify my mutual fund under double inverted commas. Bracket close and then press enter. So it is coming out to be single time. And same for the real estate, I need to type COUNTIF command. Double click on it, select the range of investment type, put comma and here real estate. Bracket close and then press enter. So in this way I have created the frequency of all the three investment type, that is stock, mutual fund and real estate. I can also plot this information in the form of a graph. Go to insert, click on pie chart and then click on 2D pie. Let me label it and then right click on it and click on add data labels. Again right click on it. I need to format my data labels. I want my information to be presented in the form of percentage and not in the form of value. I am checklist this percentage column and uncheck this value column and then click on close. So in this way I have graphically presented the results obtained through a frequency distribution of investment type as well as the income range. So that's all from my side. We'll meet you in my next session. Have a nice day.